Today we're going to look at the Jowar Chivda recipe. We take 1 bowl of Jowar flakes, 1 bowl of basmati murmura, roast them until they become crispy. Let's take a tawa and grease it with ghee, add some dry coconuts, some peanuts, some badam, and nicely fry them. Take some roasted Bengal gram, some cashew nuts, some raisins, some sauf, some chilli finely cut, some curry leaves, and fry it well along with the others. Add some masafotida or hing, some chili powder, some turmeric, some pepper, some chaat masala, and mix it well so that it uniformly comes together. Now add some sugar for sweetness, and now empty the roasted chivda and murmura into this. For taste, you can add some chili powder.